How to enable ChatGPT subscriptions. To enable a ChatGPT subscription, you can upgrade your plan directly through the official website or the mobile app. So what you can do is just open a ChatGPT app. If you're using the app, simply launch open, and if you want to use the browser, just go to chatgpt.com. So once you've actually typed in that, what next you want to do is you want to tap the profile at the very top right corner of the screen, or just tap the menu and you could find the profile at the top right. Over here, you need to go ahead and look for subscriptions, which is going to be in the upgrade to plus section, as I don't have the plus or the subscriptions. So simply select that out, and you just want to make sure to go ahead and select upgrade plan. From the menu, you can choose between several tiers. ChatGPT Plus standard paid plan for improved reasoning and access to new features as well. And if you want to go with the ChatGPT Pro, higher tier plan for powerful user with increased use limit. And if you want to go with ChatGPT Go, an affordable or something or sometimes proportional tier available in certain regional like UK and India. Then you could go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt to enter your payment informations, and that is how you'll be able to enable ChatGPT subscriptions. So with that being said, I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.